So first thing I'm going to do is just connect the main harness to the timer itself. Slide it on and make sure it locks. And I still have my harness for the timer motor. And again, just insert that into the connector until it snaps and locks. Then we'll just want to introduce the timer to the console. Move it into place. Slide it until you hear the locking tab drop into position. So now that we've locked the timer into place, we're just going to bring our console back down in position. We'll want to put our skirt back on, and you're just going to line up the flat spot with the groove in the timer. And you can feel it just by rotating the skirt. You'll feel it drop into the proper location. Push it on. Bring your timer knob back. Push it onto your timer, and that will lock it into place. And your new timer is installed.